Okay, so one of the things you can do with your Festool extractor is to upgrade the hose. This hose is a 36mm hose. It will plug directly into all of the extractors, no need for any special adapters. What you will find is that on the other end of the 36mm hose is a larger suction nozzle. If you look at the 27mm here, you can see that it's quite a bit bigger. And the reason being is that the 36mm hose is actually intended for the larger machines. Obviously you've got more airflow going through, so it's more efficient at clearing larger chips. This nozzle will not fit into the smaller power tools such as the Domino or the Rotex. Okay, so here we have the DF500 Domino, and as you can see, this is the 27mm hose, and this obviously fits perfectly. It's a push fit over there like that. But if you look at the standard nozzle on the end of the D36, it's too big, it won't fit on there at all. If you look at the larger machines, such as an OF2200, the D27 hose will fit into this. It will fit inside the dust port. Okay, and then the D36 hose fits over the top of the dust port. Okay, now that's obviously a benefit because you haven't got something that's inserted inside the port, so there's nothing to restrict the chips coming out. It goes directly from the port all the way through the hose. When you've got the D27 in there, not only have you got a smaller surface area of airflow, but you've also got the port that's inside with the rim of the suction nozzle slowing down the chips getting it through the hole. So it is a big improvement when you upgrade the hose. What you can do with the D36 hose is buy an adapter from Festool which steps down to the 27mm suction nozzle. So this is a D36 hose which I've put on the suction nozzle that steps down to 27mm. And as you can see, if I was to get the Domino, you can then see that this D36 hose with the adapter will fit in exactly the same way as the D27. By doing this, you can still fit this hose into the Capex and the 2200 router, but obviously it will fit inside the hole as opposed to over the top of the hole. But if you want the maximum flexibility so that you can use all of the power tools with the D36 hose, that's probably a good option. Okay, so a quick run through of all of the available extraction parts from Festool. This first four are for the end of the hose that goes into the dust port of the extractor. This one's for the 50mm hose, this one's for the 36mm hose, and these two are for the 27mm hose. Remembering that the Mini and the MIDI use a 90-degree elbow in the top of the extractor. The next four are suction nozzles which fit on the opposite end of the hose. This one's for the D36, the standard one that comes with the hose. This one is a step down from D36 to D27 for all your standard power tools. This is a replacement for the standard suction nozzle that comes with the D27 hose. And then this is an older one for the D22 hose for those of you that have got the older hose. Also, here is the Y adapter which splits two hoses so you can use them into one extractor, and that obviously has the blanking plate on there as well. And then also is the coupler, and the coupler is used either to fit two hoses together or any of the 50mm end parts. So it goes on the end of the Y piece, and for example any of those adapters will fit in there as well. Also, don't forget that you can buy any of the diameter hoses by the metre, so if you're designing your own custom system or you simply need a much longer hose, then give us a call and we can work that out for you. All of these parts are kept in stock at Intelligent Workshop. You can give us a call on 0845 548 9950 or look us up on intelligentworkshop.co.uk. Thanks for watching.